Research reviews and articles are publishable content with similar templates on WordPress. Research reviews also has a table of content section, which can be used once you install the table of content plugin. So to create a new research review, you'll go on research reviews here on your WordPress website and then press add new. It will bring you to a template where you can start adding in information on your research review. So you'll copy and paste the text of your review here, and then you can start making edits. So for example, if you want to create the table of contents, each heading should be in the heading 2 format. So if you hover over here, you'll get this floating menu and you'll press paragraph, heading, and then ensure it's on the H2 level. And then you can do that for the rest of the headings over here. And now they're all part of the table of contents. And now you can also make edits, like if you want to turn something into a quote, you'll go on that block or highlight it, and then you can turn it into anything you want it. So it can be a quote, for example here. So now it's been turned into a quote. And then you can also make edits on the right over here, where you can change the author, which is the user who is doing this on WordPress. And then you can add in the research topic. You can add in a focus tag. And then you can also link to a profile. So if someone in your network who has a profile wrote this content for you, you can link it to them. And then also set a featured image, which is how it will look once it's previewed on the public-facing website. So now you can save that draft and then go on the preview to see how it will look before you publish it. And this is essentially how the review will look once it's published. And then you can see that the table of contents are here. Now once you're happy with that, you can just press publish and it will publish either immediately or you can stage it for a later time.